Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed and welcome in lecture number 2nd. Today's we are going to embed or we are going to set up our new WordPress so you can easily understand what's going on while we are embedding the premium theme. So first of all, as you know, we have created the WooCommerce store first of all. Now go to your C. I have installed my XAMPP inside my C drive, so that's why htdocs, and I have WordPress. Okay, so I'm saying that extract here. We are extracting the WordPress here, and we are going to create our new database. So open phpMyAdmin, create your database. I'm saying Visual Composer. The database name is Visual Composer. So create your database. So this is the Visual Composer. Okay, so it's extracting. Wait for a few seconds so we can work on it. Okay, we have just extracted the WordPress. Delete this WordPress and rename your WordPress folder. I'm saying Composer. Make sure I'm saying Composer. Whenever I say Composer in this series, that means I am talking about Visual Composer, because Composer is another thing. Composer, if you are not familiar with Composer, Composer is a dependency manager in PHP. Okay, but we are working on Visual Composer, so that's why. So this is the Composer. So what you just need to call the Composer, localhost and Composer. We are installing the WordPress new fresh setup. English, let's go. So as you know, Visual Composer is the database name. We have now connected with localhost, so that's why root password is empty. You can also set your prefix. It's totally depend upon you. Hit the submit button, run and install Visual Composer. First of all, username is Composer, password is also Composer, $123 So Composer. Okay, so confirm. This is the week. Okay, I'm assigning the email. Install now. Okay, we have just installed the fresh WordPress setup. So username is Composer, password is also Composer, $123. Login with your WordPress. Okay, make sure I have purchased a premium WordPress theme from the theme forest. So as you can see, we have a WordPress theme name Porto. Okay, so type Porto WordPress theme. Okay, so go to the Porto. So as you can see, this is the premium $59. I have purchased in $59. So this is the premium WordPress theme. So live preview, and they have some layouts, some built-in layouts. As you can see, the main feature shop demos. So they have a lot of demos. These demos are available. We are going to use, don't worry, we are going to use from this one. I think from this one we are going to use this demo. Okay, so just I'm telling you that we are going to use the Porto. Okay, so this is a theme setup, this is the documentation, and this is the license, and this is the theme. So copy this theme, go to your XAMPP htdocs. I'm using the XAMPP, so that's why I'm going to use the htdocs. If you are working on the WAMP, you have your own folder, which is WAMP and www directory. So this is the Composer and WP content. WP content and theme section. I'm pasting this theme here. Now I'm extracting my theme here. So this is the Porto theme. Okay, so what you need, just need to go to your theme section. So here is your theme. Update, check your updates. I think the okay, this is the plugin updates. Update your plugin. I have just updated my plugin. Okay, so what you need, go to your appearance, themes. Now activate this theme. Activate. Okay, this is the portal. Welcome to the setup wizard. So every theme has its own wizard, first of all, because I already told you that every theme has its own plugins, every theme has its own widget areas, and every theme has its own setup wizard. So this is the setup wizard for the portal WordPress theme. So what you need, you just need to let's go, click on this purchase code. Of course I have purchased, so this is the purchase code. Okay, and now next step. So as you can see, it's saying PHP max maximum input vars required 2000. So by default we have the 1000. So how can you increase the maximum input vars? So go to your XAMPP. I have installed my XAMPP inside my C drive. XAMPP, make sure go XAMPP and find .ini file. So this is the .ini file. This is the .ini file. So open this ini file. Okay, go to your Apache .ini. So this is your ini file. No, ini file must be in PHP .ini. Okay, the ini file is available in the PHP folder. So open this ini file and now find what you need. You just need to find the maximum input vars. So here you can see the maximum input vars. So remove this semicolon and now set to 2000. Save this file, go to your XAMPP, restart your XAMPP. Now start your XAMPP and now refresh the page. Now it's saying 2000. Okay, you have successfully selected. So system required for this portal theme. PHP memory limit is 256. PHP execution limit time 900 and maximum input vars to 2000. If you are not familiar with them, just go to the XAMPP and PHP folder and find the .ini file and find these words and increase related with this. Okay, continue. So this is if you want to create the child theme, so create it. If you are not familiar with child theme, so don't worry about it, skip this. So they are saying these plugins are required and I want to install these plugins also because these are the recommended plugins. Okay, so hit the next button and wait for a few minutes. Okay, so now as you can see, we have just downloaded all the plugins. So now what you just need to select your shop, which demo you want to install. So they have a lot of demos. So as you can see, this is the demo 1, this is the demo 1, and this is the demo 2, this is the demo 3, and this is the demo 4. These are the categories: shop, classic, business, on one page, and all. So as you can see, shop. So now I am going to download this. Okay, so what you just need to import. Okay, wait for a few minutes so it can import all the pages, all the posts, all the products related with this theme. You can also view this theme from the demo side. Go to the portal. Porto WordPress theme, we are installing this demo. So this is the demo, live preview, and this is the demo which we are going to install. So this is the demo and this is the demo. So demo, hit this button. So as you can see, this is the demo which we are going to install, or we are installing. So demo, so you have this demo. So don't worry about it, we are going to explain each and everything. Why we are choosing the premium theme? Because you must familiar how to add the premium theme, how to work on the premium theme. Okay, so now we have successfully imported all the content related with this demo. So visit your site. So as you can see, without doing nothing, we have successfully embedded all this premium theme. So what you need, you just need to change these categories which is coming from the setup. So go to your menu, composer, localhost and composer, and go to your dashboard. So as you can see, you have your product, WooCommerce, and these are your categories. So these are the categories. You can create your own categories here, or you can just update these categories here. So it's totally depend upon you. So we have successfully embedded the premium theme. First of all, okay, so this is the WP Bakery page builder. So this is the home page, and if you go to your theme settings, reading, so you can see you have your home page, and this is the blog page. So go to your pages, all pages. So we have imported all the pages from the Porto demo. Okay, so this is the home front page. So you can edit with this quick edit, or edit with WP Bakery, that means Visual Composer. So hit this button. So the Visual Composer is loading. Just a second. So this is your Visual Composer front end layout. So this is the front end. Why? Because as you can see, this is the row and this is the column. Okay, and this is the Porto interactive banners. Click on this. So as you can see, you have your content, shop now, and this is your banner. Okay, we will discuss each and everything, don't worry about it. And as you can see, this is the Porto future product. Porto is a WordPress theme, first of all. So that's why the Porto. If you want to add another element, what you need, just need to add, click on this plus sign. So as you can see, it's saying add element. So add element, a lot of elements available here to add. Okay, so this is the all elements. You can, this is the content elements, row, block, separator, and Porto. This is the themes elements. So make sure each theme has its own element. So this is the Porto theme, and these are the elements related with this theme. If you have XYZ theme, so they have XYZ elements. So this is the WooCommerce elements, and this is the WooCommerce widgets, and these are the WordPress widgets. So it's totally depend upon you which element you want to select. For suppose if you want to add a row here, so just click on the row. You have added a row. And if you want to add element, for suppose a single image, just click on the image and just choose your image from your media library. So for suppose I want to add this image, select your image. So you have some extra options, media library, external. So it's totally depend upon you. So these are the thumbnails. Okay, if you so don't worry about it, we will discuss each and everything in our later lectures. For now, okay, so here is your image. You can delete this content by clicking this. So you can also delete your row here. So in this way you can use your Visual Composer. So I am giving you just introduction, so you can easily understand. In our later lectures we will discuss Visual Composer from the scratch. and you have your front end layout. If you want to open this layout from the backend section, just click on the backend editor. Just click on the backend editor. Okay, so you have your backend editor here. So as you can see, you have your editor. A lot of content available here. So these are the elements. If you want to add elements, click on this add row. So you have added and row. Which layout you want to choose? This is the single column. This is the 2 column. This is the 2 by 1 column. So don't worry about it. We will discuss further in our later lectures. But now this is the backend layout of Visual Composer. And if you want to open this from the front end, so this is the, click on this. So this is the front end layout of the Visual Composer. So we have embedded our premium theme. We have imported all the data related with that theme from the theme settings, and we have embedded the Porto theme. Okay, in the next lecture we are going to discuss from the scratch the Visual Composer. So thank you for watching.